Hello students, welcome to the channel Success Edutech. Today we are going to see the lesson Principles of Inheritance and Variation. Now in this lesson we will see today the term incomplete dominance. In the previous videos I had explained everything given in this lesson. Please watch that video and please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Please watch the previous videos, link is given in the description. Now we will see what is meant by incomplete dominance in detail in this video. So we will see students. First the term we have to see deviations from Mendelian concept of dominance. Now incomplete dominance is first term. It is given as when experiments on peas were repeated using other traits in other plants, it was found that sometimes the F1 had a phenotype that did not resemble either of two parents and was in between the two. Means, in short, I'm going to explain here. In incomplete dominance, both the genes of an allelomorphic pair express themselves partially. The most thing is here express themselves partially. One gene cannot suppress the expression of the other completely. Means the dominant and recessive terms are not there. Thus, a pair is not as one dominant and other recessive. So, in such cases, there is intermediate expression in F1 hybrids. Now, good example to understand the incomplete dominance is color of flower in the dog flower or snapdragon. We have to observe the color of flower. What is the scientific name of snapdragon? That scientific name is Antirinum majus is the scientific name. Now, Antivenom species means snapdragon or dog flower. Now, see these such type of flowers are there to the snapdragon or dog flower, and the crossing into these by considering the character that is color. So here is the red, here is the white, and here is the pink. Now crossing is going on between that. Now see what happened here. Capital R, and small r. So crossing between them red flower and the white flower. What we will get? We will get the capital R and small r F1. That is the F1 generation which we will got by mixing red and white. We will get a pink. When the F1 was self-pollinated, the F2 resulted in the following ratio. If it is self-pollinated product, then F2 resulted in a following ratio. That is, this red flower 1 is to 2. Now, see second capital R and small r. That is 1 is to 2. And pink flower, this is the pink, and 1 small r will be the white. Okay, so this will the product we will get here. Now we will see this is the red, capital R, small r, white. F1 generation, we get here gamete, capital R. It is the pink product we get here, pink flower, and here the small r, capital R and small r. Now, see these are the P, parent generation. Here the offspring got, that is the F1 generation. Now what happened in F2 generation? So see, here the sperm, that is the capital R and the small r, here the half is given. So capital R, small r. Now we will get the product that R, see capital R is the 1 and capital R, small r is the 2. So 1 is to 2 as 2 small r is the 1 product. In F2 generation, we got 1 is to 2 is to 1. Product ratio we got like this. Okay. Now, in this cross genotypic ratio, where exactly as we would expect in any Mendelian monohybrid cross, but phenotypic ratio had changed from 3 is to 1. In previous videos, I explained 3 is to 1 to 1 is to 2 is to 1. So what happened was that R was not completely dominant over small r, and this made it possible to distinguish capital R, small r as a pink from capital R red and small r white. So we got here capital R, small r, 1 is to 2 is to 1 proportion. Now, thus the phenotypic and genotypic ratio in F2 progeny are same, that is 1 is to 2 is to 1. Now, before see MCQ, suppose the plant Mirabilis jalapa and there are two pure varieties. When one with the red capital R flower is crossed with the white R, just I explained this, we got the product here 1 is to 2 is to 1. Same example we can see with the Mirabilis jalapa also, just like a snapdragon or the dog flower. This means factors segregate and there is no mixing of the factors. The means whatever progeny, whatever gametes are transferring, now mixing of the factor. The intermediate shade is produced due to the whatever pink color or due to the shade, that intermediate shape is produced, that is due to the incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance does not favor the blending theory of inheritance. It does not favor that. Though in F1 all are pink, both the parental traits red and white reappear, each in 25%, and in F2 generation, other similar example is just same example like Snapdragon or Aranium majus had happened with the Mirabilis jalapa also. So this is the complete detail incomplete dominance I explained here with the example. Now we will see the MCQ related to this. What is the scientific name of snapdragon? Antirrhinum species, the Datura, Indigofera, Tinctoria or Sesbania? Answer is antirrhinum species. So the first answer is the correct. What is the phenotypic ratio in incomplete dominance? 1 is to 3, 1 is to 2, F to 1, 9 is to 1 or 9 is to 9. When the F1 was self-pollinated, the F2 resulted in the following ratio. That is 1 is to 2 is to 1. Now, we got here the answer second is correct. Now, in the next video, we will see about the codominance. Thank you very much, students, for watching my complete video.